Hi there, and welcome to JavaWalkerWorld. We are Fern and Frank, two restless retirees looking to explore this beautiful world of ours, and we'd love it if you joined us. So come and join us as we continue our exploration of London, England. And here are some highlights of this new London series on JavaWalkerWorld. Before we get started, let's just say hello also to Haley, the dog we're taking care of while we do this Trusted House Sitters sit here in London. Thank you to Trusted House Sitters. Hello friends, welcome to Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf is London's financial and business area, and it is also a very popular place to live as well, with all these very modern condominium type apartment style homes. So you work and live all in the same area. There are shopping centers and there is green spaces here. It's all along the river and a very, very popular area. It's quite beautiful. So come along and let's take a look at this together. Here we are at the pergola, a beautiful greenhouse perched on the top of a building. It's quite fascinating. Welcome to South Bank. It's a beautiful riverside stretch in the heart of London. It's where the London Eye is and the London Aquarium. So come along and join us as we explore this area because there's so much more than that there.
There's so much to see here. You can get whiplash, I'm telling you. You look at here, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my gosh, tons of stuff to see and do. So this O2 Center is really interesting. It's sort of a convention, entertainment, sports venue all in one. Concerts, games. Oh geez,
shopping mall.
There's some kind of convention going on here now regarding AI industry. There's a lot of people here from North America, all over Europe, I guess, displaying their AI intelligence or whatever they have to offer. Very, very interesting. Yeah.
Let me tell you, this place is. Everybody should come to London to see this for yourself. Really, I can't recommend it.
This is our first time and we're in awe.
Welcome to the O2 Center. The O2 Center is a entertainment venue location. There is a shopping mall here as well. You can also take a cable car here as well. There is a lot going on here. I know that Shania Twain was just recently here, and we were just fascinated with so much going on in this place. And it's very well connected here using all their transit system that they have here in London. You can get to this area very quickly, very easily. They make it easy here in London to move around the city. Just a little observation. Shania Twain is here at the O2 Center for yesterday and today, and we are seeing so many cowboy boots on. Everybody has their cowboy boots on, so it's always a lot of fun. I bet there are a lot of people who have come here to London specifically to see Shania Twain in concert, and then they just fit in a trip to London. Cool. To the National Maritime Museum.
This is what we do on rainy days here in London. And the bonus is it's free admission, so we got to check it out.
Because our house sit here with Trusted House Sitters is in the Greenwich area, we are so lucky that we can just walk right to this museum easily. And so we decided to do that through the Greenwich Park here. And it's very pretty. Everybody likes to run here. And there's the Queen's house, and yeah, you can go for a free tour there as well, and it's quite nice. But let's take a look at this Maritime Museum. We really enjoyed going through this museum, and let me tell you, you can spend a whole afternoon or a whole morning here because there's plenty to see. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Hit that like button, send a comment, share this video with a friend. In the meantime, check out our socials, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and Facebook for the latest daily tidbits. See you next Sunday.
Let's say it's a boat